So to do this we need to come round the passenger side of the van, and we're looking down in this area here. You can leave the glove box fitted, but we do have to remove this panel which is clipped in. If you put your hand up here towards the back of it and gently prise it out. Slide it this way, it's removed. Then we're looking up here. So our pollen filter is located behind this plastic strip here. Underneath it's got this tab. Put your prise down to release it. The top is hooked in with another tab. Then you can just get your fingers in, remove the pollen filter. There you go. When fitting a new one, make sure you get your arrow pointing the right way for the direction of airflow. This one looks well overdue, so we'll replace that now. Thanks for watching guys, please like and subscribe.